It's Wednesday, October 4th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Potato of eXp Realty, your BC, Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap lakefront specialist. And hopefully this isn't you, but here's the latest evidence that high interest rates are certainly hitting home. A National Payroll Institute survey suggesting that Canadians' financial stress has just climbed to a 15-year high, where folks are having to use credit to pay for essentials. A whopping 37% of those polled claiming that they're now in that boat from 17% a year back. Family ties apparently don't matter much to Lundin mining investors. The Vancouver-based miner's stock price coming off a rough day, dropping 5.3% on Tuesday, following news that the company founder's grandson, Jack Lundin, will be their next president. Proud to be named as one of Canada's top-rated business podcasts by FeedSpot and heard around the world on X, TikTok, wherever you get your favorite podcasts. Canada's Business Beat is proudly sponsored by Eric Potato of eXp Realty. Considering a move to BC's wine country? Eric is your Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap Lakeview specialist at OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com. A much lighter shade of red for Vancouver's Nova Gold Resources, cutting its third quarter loss to $21.5 million thanks to lower expenses related to its flagship Donlin Gold project in Alaska. They were $52 million in the hole a year ago. Real estate news: Calgary is still hot, with September home sales ahead by 29% year over year, a new all-time high of just over 2,400 sales. Toronto's market, though, saw sales fall 7% compared to a year ago, although prices still increased about 3%. Also, a notable shift in Canada's most expensive housing market, RE/MAX noting a 17% decline for Vancouver condo sales in the first 8 months of this year. The report also suggesting that condo demand appears to be softening in most markets across the country. And that will do it for your Wednesday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Potato and OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com.